Hello again, viewers. Quite a nice restaurant in there. Charolais. Let's take a wee walk round here. I was here earlier, but it's got a lot busier. Quite a few people now in for lunch. Nice in there, eh? Very nice. Michelin stars. Did you expect that? I didn't even notice that. I need to change the title of the video. Head to the Michelin star restaurant here. There we go. Look at this upstairs. Colourful, eh? Like that. So, possibly one of the best restaurants in Fuengirola. Looks lovely inside. Really nice. Let's check out the menu. Right, it's pretty small, so I'm struggling to read it. Okay, they've got tapas as well. So tapas €1.75. Very, very affordable. They've got stuff to share as well. I should have went in there. I actually had a tapas earlier on. I can't remember the name of the place. It was across from the Octopus Tapas restaurant. If you know Fuengirola, you'll know where it is. Just round the corner. But wasn't that great. I mean, I picked a chicken skewer, meatballs, and some sort of potato thing, which I was expecting something like Canadian potatoes, I think, and it was totally different. That was my fault. It's nice here as well, eh? It's got a lot busier. I done a video earlier on. Did not do it justice. It's just so different when you see places, and obviously there's a lot of people out. Nice, eh? Your lounge bar there. Casa Colon. Where to go, viewers? We go down this way or down that other way? It's nice in there. What you got here? Wee cookies. They look nice, don't they? Make one of those. Also cooking fresh bread in there, make fresh bread and all sorts in there. Nice. It's quite busy here. Busy down there, side streets as well. So these restaurants are a lot busier than earlier on. It's above a bar I passed earlier on. Temperature just is increasing by the hour. I don't even know what the temperature is now. It feels about 30. It's a good wee house to have there, number 10, isn't it? Right next to everything. A few random shops here as well. If you want your nails done and makeup, that's the place in there. Your boutique shop. This I could be doing with this, couldn't it, viewers? Amount of caps that I lose, and then get a wee hat. Okay, a few more shops round there in the wee square. Let's head round this way. Bring us out to the church, I do believe. Interesting shop front, isn't it? It's a pharmacy. Nice. Check it out. Church. Now, I've not been round the side here. It's a wee tapas restaurant down the bottom there, it's pretty busy. Church was open earlier on, not sure if it's still open. Oh, the bird's just flying out there. Nice wee square. The doors open or they shut? Ah, shut now. Got another video showing you inside the church anyway, you can check it out. Don't know what's down here, let's go down here, viewers. Might as well. Lola's bar. About 10-minute walk to the train station from here. Jump the train to Torremolinos, Benalmádena, Malaga. It's very cheap. Tapas place, isn't it? It's selling. Oh no, it's just basically sandwiches and stuff. Oh, the restaurant there, I didn't notice. So this is us really on one of the main streets. Don't think I've been here in my life. There's a bar up there. Quite a few shops down there as well. Walk down a wee bit further. Probably taking you away from the kind of tourist places here, just showing you a wee bit of, probably people might say, the real Fuengirola. The hostel across there, quite affordable Fuengirola. I did look at staying here. I could have got a hotel for under £50 a night. So it is quite affordable. Torremolinos is cheaper for accommodation. That's why I stayed there. And I'm going to be honest, I've not seen enough of Fuengirola. I know Torremolinos, so I'm quite comfortable there and I prefer to stay there. One thing you will notice about Fuengirola, it's quite busy, the streets. It's got quite a unique atmosphere, I'd say, different than other places. Don't know if there's too much over there, viewers, so I'm going to cross over here. Oh, hold on. Optional zebra crossing. Thank you. There might be a lot of stuff up there I don't know about. Not sure. Tobacco shop there. Our main street there. Let's see what's down here, viewers. It's random walk. If you're new to the channel, do me a wee favour. If not already, hit the wee red button that says subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Regular viewers who've already been subscribed, thanks so much for all your support. I appreciate it so much. Japanese curry house, you don't see that too often, do you? Curry, yeah. Oh, look at this, a wee hidden gem down here, popular with the locals. Let's check it out, viewers. Hold on. I think I'm really in local central here. Wee cafe here. Let's walk up here and just see what's on this main road. Mijas Avenue, by the looks of it. Lovely street, isn't it? Okay. Not too sure really what's down there. Train station's down that way, I think. Or Google Maps it to get back there. Let's go and check out the bar, it's busy. There's the bus going. Mijas. I was going to go to Mijas, I don't think I'm going to have time. Thinking about it, we'll see. Now, this is a busy place here, isn't it? Trying to get the name of it. Esteron, I think it's called. Esteron. Very busy. Not a spare seat really, apart from these ones here. People just finished their food. Another wee place here as well. Maison de Andre. Looks nice as well. Oh, hold on viewers, hold on. And down here, not a thing. Let's continue down here. A lot of bikes around here I've noticed. A lot of bikes. Don't think many tourists will come down this street, it's mostly locals. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been in this area of Fuengirola or have a local buy. Look at this wee place, it's cool. Do waffles, coffee. It's nice. Oh, it goes out the back as well. Nice seating out there as well. Oh, nice. Wee random clothes shop. A couple more shops here as well. Camden Shoes Town. Oh, I forgot I was on the road there. Quite easy to do that. You look at the pavement and the road, almost merge. I know they're slightly different colour, and I should know that, but sometimes you do forget walking about. Okay, more places that the locals go to. Random, eh? La Dispensa del Aceite, or Aceite, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Another wee place popular with the locals. Oh, somebody just sitting there with a wee sangria. See some of the dishes, looks as if they do tapas in there. They do tapas everywhere, round about here. Nice, eh? Hope I can get out at the end here, viewers. I need to Google Maps the train station, decide where I'm going next. And I need to get in the shade. It's so warm. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Oh, too close to the camera, sorry viewers. So hot here. If you're still watching, I'd just like to personally say thank you. There's only a certain percentage of viewers that watch the videos to the end, so if you're one of them and you've watched this video, it's been a wee bit random, there's not really been much purpose to it apart from just showing you Fuengirola, then I'd just like to say thank you. You help the channel out so much when you watch videos till near the end. I just wanted to personally say thank you to every one of you. Here's another wee restaurant. Check it out. What's it called? Look, the balconies above it, nice. I don't know what it's called, I haven't seen my name. San Antonio maybe, I think, up on the board. Here's us, bring this out to. Okay, I got no idea where we are now. There's another restaurant, this one's not busy, but it's quite a nice wee spot. Barbecue, €24. Don't think there's prices in that menu there, on some of them. Oh, there is, sorry. I missed the prices. Oh, hold on viewers to get some shade. main road up there that probably takes me back to the train station. I've noticed another wee street down here as well, but I'm going to basically get Google Maps out. Absolutely scalping here. Just as well I've got the hat on, viewers, just as well I've been in big trouble. Thank you so much for all your support watching the videos. Random video showing you the real Fuengirola that maybe a lot of tourists don't see. I know they're not the most exciting videos, they don't get as many views as other videos where I've got a kind of catchy title or there's a purpose to them, but I just thought I'd mix it in the channel anyway. Thanks for your support, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.